When you hear the roar of a 383 V8, you don't just feel the power, you feel history. This is the 1966 Dodge Coronet 440, factory-correct, jaw-dropping and raw American muscle at its finest. Strap in, because what you're about to see isn't just a car, it's a legend come to life. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell, because today we're diving into an iconic piece of American muscle car history, the 1966 Dodge Coronet 440. This isn't just any Coronet, it's a factory-correct, head-turning classic with all the right notes for collectors, enthusiasts, and adrenaline seekers alike. Right from the first glance, this dark red metallic beauty commands attention. Its factory-correct paint still shines like it just rolled off the assembly line, and those black racing stripes slicing across the hood and deck lid give it an unmistakable presence. Every curve, every panel, every detail screams muscle, speed, and precision craftsmanship from an era when American automotive design didn't just meet expectations, it blew them away. Now let's talk power. Under that sculpted hood sits a 383 cubic inch V8 engine, period correct, raw and ready to roar. Yes, it's true there's no VIN stamp to prove 100% originality, but what matters here is the authentic driving experience, and it delivers. This powerhouse is topped with an Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor and a Weiand intake manifold, giving it the kind of instant throttle response that makes your chest tighten and your heart race. When you fire this engine up, the deep rumble doesn't just announce your presence, it commands it. Paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and a Hurst floor shifter, every shift feels deliberate, tactile, and intoxicatingly mechanical. Unlike modern cars where electronics do the work for you, this Coronet puts you in direct communion with the machine. Every gear change, every rev, every growl of the exhaust is a reminder this is muscle car authenticity at its finest. Slide inside, and the interior continues the story of meticulous attention to detail. The black vinyl bench seat is period correct and adds a sense of raw, old-school charm. A retro sounds radio integrates seamlessly without breaking the classic vibe, while the SunPro tachometer ensures you're always in sync with the V8's heartbeat. Every surface, every switch, every line whispers heritage, power, and craftsmanship. On the streets, stopping power is both safe and faithful, with front disc brakes and rear drums, giving you confidence without sacrificing the classic driving feel. And let's not forget the stance. This Coronet rolls on 16-inch American Racing torque thrust wheels, perfectly complementing the bold bodywork, black stripes, and polished red paint. It's aggressive yet elegant, a statement that says, I belong on the asphalt. What truly elevates this 1966 Dodge Coronet 440 from mere showpiece to collector's dream is its provenance. It comes complete with factory build sheet, original warranty card, 2 broadcast sheets, and Certi-Card, all of which preserve its history and verify its authenticity. Every document, every sheet, every certificate tells a story of a car that was built to perform, endure, and dazzle. Driving this Coronet isn't just about horsepower, it's about experiencing a moment in time. Every turn of the steering wheel, every press of the pedal, every growl from the V8 is a bridge to 1966, when muscle cars weren't just vehicles, they were an expression of freedom, power, and pure adrenaline. And the best part? At $42,995, this isn't just a car you admire from a distance, it's a car you can own, drive, and make your own legend with. Imagine pulling into a classic car meet, the sun glinting off the metallic paint, the black stripes daring onlookers to challenge your presence. Imagine the rumble of the 383 echoing down an open road, the shifting of the Hurst shifter connecting you to history, the torque thrust wheels gripping the asphalt as you feel every ounce of raw muscle. This 1966 Dodge Coronet 440 is more than metal and paint. It's a story, a thrill, and a testament to an era when American muscle ruled the roads. It's a car that celebrates performance, authenticity, and timeless design. A car that commands attention without ever asking for it. A car that makes you feel alive every time you press the ignition. So if you're serious about muscle cars, about American classics, and about owning something that transcends time, this Coronet 440 isn't just a recommendation, it's a must-have. Don't just watch history, drive it. That's it for today, folks. If you loved this deep dive into the 1966 Dodge Coronet 400 and hit that like button, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more high-end cinematic explorations of the greatest muscle cars ever built. Until next time, keep your engines roaring and your passion burning.